Hi friends, Michelle here with Epicurean Delights, and today I have a delicious cocktail for you. It is my Mango Spritzer, and I'm going to show you how to peel a mango the easy way. Let's get started. So mangoes can be really fibrous, and I find that using a wide mouth cup is the easiest way to peel the skin away from the mango and keep it nice and intact, and you capture all the juice in your cup. So you want to place the skin on the outside of the cup and sort of wedge it so that it gets in between the skin and the flesh of the mango, and then just pull it down and it will just come off nice and easy. And you've captured all that delicious juice to use in your cocktails. From here, I'm just going to take some mango nectar and I'm going to put a little bit of that into my champagne flute. And then I'm just going to top it off with some Prosecco, which I love. I love Prosecco. And then I've gone ahead and taken that mango that we peeled and just sliced it into strips. So I'm just going to float some fresh mango in there. And this is a really refreshing, delicious alternative to a mimosa. So if you want to jazz it up with, a little tropical fruit, try mango. So I hope that you enjoy this. Until next time, make it sweet or savory, but always delicious.